Hi, my name is Tammy Fitzgerald. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the Upper Peninsula tours. We'll be seeing many sites in our 7-day trip, which include St. Ignace, Paradise, Sault Ste. Marie, Mackinac City, and Mackinac Island. There is absolutely gorgeous sights, as you can see in these pictures, for us to experience. Paradise City is where Tahquamenon Falls is located, and Whitefish Point, which is about 50 miles from there. I chose to do the Tahquamenon lodging suites for a 4-day stay, which include a kitchen, so we can actually buy groceries to reduce the cost of going out to eat. But I do have in there set that if we choose to go out, that is an option. This is a rundown of our daily cost. This is for the whole week. And then our daily cost, this is what it's going to cost for food, hotel, gas, and the van rental to get us from one destination to another. And this is the Upper Peninsula, which is absolutely gorgeous. These pictures, I doubt does this place any justice, but there is many sightseeing attractions. For those that enjoy hiking, there are trails at Tahquamenon Falls and the state park, which we can enjoy free of charge. We are staying at the suites there, so we have 4 days to enjoy. There is lighthouses with history. We're going to see the Shipwreck Museum in Sault Ste. Marie, which is, it's got ships that have, sunk in the local area and whatnot with history. This is another breakdown so that you guys can understand where the money is going, the cost of everything for each day. St. Ignace, Castle Rock, this is a natural limestone stack, which looks pretty cool. It looks like it's pretty high up there. And it's got a path, a bridge that you can actually walk up and stand on top of it. And this is Tahquamenon Falls, one of them. There is 2 actually on this river, but this is the picture that I chose to show you guys. Whitefish Point, there is a lighthouse also there. It's on Lake Superior, which is something that the boats, all vessels, have to see entering and leaving the Superior. They pass right by it, which gives them, location. We are taking a boat tour in Sault Ste. Marie, which will give you a view of the bay side of Lake Superior and the lighthouses that sit on the bay. Mackinac City also has their own lighthouse, which we will also be visiting, and they have their own limestone arch, which looks pretty cool, and they also have a path to take you up there. In the Mackinac Island Grand Hotel, which looks amazing in the picture. And of course, pictures never do any justice to the actual seeing it yourself. And these are the sources, so if you have any questions or anything, you can click on any of these and you can find whatever you're looking for. If not, you can email me or call me. My number is 989-817-2702. Thank you.